The transcription is, what does it truly take for life to emerge in the wild's unforgiving embrace?
In the heart of the Florida Everglades, a silent drama unfolds beneath the humid canopy.
Here, one of nature's most dedicated mothers embarks on an incredible, perilous journey.
The Burmese python is an invasive species here, yet its maternal instinct remains undeniable.
Our research aims to understand their biology, even as we manage their impact.
For months, the female Burmese python has been preparing for this moment, laying her clutch.
She will not eat, she will not leave, she will simply wait, guarding her future. Each egg holds a tiny, developing life, vulnerable to the elements and predators. This shivering thermogenesis is a remarkable adaptation, a constant, energy-draining effort. Her vigilance is absolute. Every rustle, every shadow is a potential threat.
We use non-invasive methods to monitor these nests, minimizing disturbance. It's incredible how well they can conceal themselves, even a python of this size.
As day turns to night, the dangers of the Everglades do not diminish.
The python's body radiates heat, a life-sustaining blanket for her developing clutch. Her senses are acutely tuned to her surroundings, a living alarm system.
Raccoons, opossums, even wild hogs are constant threats to unguarded eggs.
But the waiting python is a formidable defender, her strike swift and powerful.
Every defense costs precious energy she cannot replenish during this fast.
This shed skin indicates she's been here for some time, likely deep into incubation.
It's a testament to her growth and the passage of time, a silent clock ticking.
After shedding, the python prepares for the next crucial phase, reproduction.
She searches for the perfect nesting site, a sanctuary for her future brood. Location is key. Protection from predators and stable temperatures are vital. Instinct guides her to a secluded, secure chamber, ideal for her clutch. Monitoring without disturbance is paramount to ensure the natural process unfolds.
We must respect her privacy during this incredibly vulnerable period. The moment arrives, a testament to nature's enduring power.
Each egg is a promise, carefully placed into the prepared nesting chamber.
She positions them perfectly, ensuring even warmth and protection.
Now begins the long vigil, a mother's unwavering commitment to her offspring.
Her body becomes a living incubator, shielding them from the harsh environment.
We're seeing a prime example of maternal care in large constrictors. Burmese pythons are unique. They incubate their eggs by shivering, generating heat.
This thermogenesis is crucial, maintaining a stable temperature for development.
Weeks will pass, a delicate balance of warmth, humidity, and patience.
The incubation period is long, demanding constant vigilance from the mother.
Threats lurk everywhere, testing the mother's resolve and protective instincts. She remains motionless, a silent guardian, ready to defend her precious cargo. We monitor temperature and humidity, crucial factors for successful hatching.
Conditions are stable, but the final weeks are always the most critical.
Even the elements pose a challenge, risking chilling the eggs. Her tightly coiled body acts as a waterproof shield, protecting the clutch. She is a fortress, enduring all to ensure her lineage continues.
After months of patient waiting, the first signs of life emerge.
The journey from egg to hatchling is perilous, yet miraculous. Using a special egg tooth, the hatchling begins its bid for freedom.
Her long vigil is nearing its end. A new generation stirs within. Small, vulnerable, yet perfectly formed. A miniature replica of its mother. Each hatchling faces a world of challenges, alone from this moment forward.
It's an incredible moment, witnessing new life begin its journey.
The hatchlings are vibrant, healthy, a testament to their mother's dedication.
These young pythons must quickly learn to navigate their new, dangerous world. Their duty is done. The next generation now begins its solitary journey.
Born with instincts, they are truly independent from birth.
Our work ensures future generations can witness this natural wonder.
Each hatchling carries the legacy of its formidable mother. Her maternal duties complete, she will now return to her solitary existence.
The waiting python's tale reminds us of nature's enduring cycles.
A new chapter begins, guided by ancient instinct.
Small and fragile, the python hatchling begins its perilous journey alone in the vast wilderness.
Survival demands instinct. Every movement now a crucial lesson in the wild's harsh realities. From a protective shell to the vast, challenging world, its new life truly begins.
Watching them hatch, knowing the odds, it's a testament to nature's relentless drive for life.
Hidden, waiting, the python hatchling will grow, eventually becoming a formidable predator. The cycle continues, generation after generation, in the heart of this ancient, vibrant ecosystem.